Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Divina Domingo, 44 years old, from Philippines. Have husband but not married. I have one child, 4-year-old girl. I have experience here in Philippines as a housemaid nanny to serve 6 members of the family, 2 adult and 4 children. I have also experience in Saudi Arabia as a caregiver maid for 2 years to serve 3 members of the family, 1 adult and 2 children. I have also experience in Singapore as a caregiver for 1 year to serve 1 member of the family, 1 adult, 80 years old. And to my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm honest, loyal, and I'm also a hardworking person. Thank you.